When you're editing a video, there are going to be loads of times that even though you started the video with a burning passion to share an idea or something with the world, an idea that'll take a bit of time, maybe 30 seconds to a minute to explain, and then you're editing one bit of the video, like seeing the audio, what you're saying basically, and then adding a video for it. It just seems so meaningless. It feels like you're wasting time. It feels like that bit is not, it's not for what it's worth. It's not worth it. And then you just feel like there's no way you can make this bit good and it has no meaning. And then you kind of want to quit the video. And this happens with each bit of the video you do. Yes. These bits have no meaning by themselves, but what does? Pixels in an image. Do you think each pixel has meaning? No. It's just a color, any color, but it's just a color made of red, green and blue in different amounts. So it's not about the pixel color you choose. It's about what they make when you put loads of them together. Each word you say has no meaning on its own. It's about how you put them together that gives meaning to it. And you ever feel like you're just not being original, but you may run out of words, but you're not going to run out of ways to put them together. It's just never really going to happen. And when you feel like quitting, you need to remember why you started the video in the first place. Like when you're fussing about one bit of a video, thinking it's not good enough, thinking there's not enough in it, and then you forget the rest of, you realize you forgot the whole rest of the video that you were making. You forgot that it fits perfectly into everything else, and it's completely good enough, and it does its bit. It was worth it. It does the amount of time it's worth. It conveys the point that it needs to convey. Actually, it doesn't convey a point by itself, but when you put all the parts of the video together, they do convey a point, and that's really the best way to do it. I mean, if you just put some random stuff together and it turns meaningful, then you've really just created meaning out of objective truth and fact, instead of just pretending or sugarcoating that there's a meaning. The only thing is, you need to be confident that you are actually conveying a point, and that comes with passion, you know. No, that does not come with practice. It comes with a passion when you started it. And if someone says that's meaningless, or if you think that's meaningless at any point, all you need to do is remember that it's not like this part that you're on right now is everything. It's not like that's all you know about. You created the whole thing, so that's all yours. Often when we're on a certain bit of something, even though it's not meant to make sense because it's just a part of the whole, we put all of our focus into it to try and make it as good as possible. But the problem with that is then no focus really goes into the other parts of it, or even acknowledges that they exist. So they kind of just put everything into that one bit, and then it just does not fit, and you get repeats of things instead of it being for what it's worth. Instead of it just doing its bit, it kind of tries to do everything else's bit as well. So you don't need to put all of your focus into that bit. What you need to put all of your focus on is the whole thing. To the idea, to the passion about doing your bit. If everyone in the world planted 200 trees, we'd get 1 trillion. And if we get rid of the carbon dioxide emissions as well, in 40 years, climate change could be reversed. But no one's going to do that solely because they think that no one is going to do that. Because they think no one's, and it just never ends. But see, the thing here is that even if you just plant 200 trees, sure, that doesn't mean everyone else isn't going to do it as well, but you've done your part now, and it's not your responsibility anymore to plant the remaining, I don't know, 1.5 trillion. When you're doing your bit, whatever's doing its bit, you need to remember that that's not the only thing that exists, not the only thing that can convey meaning or plant trees or whatever the whole purpose of it is, like the collective, the purpose that comes from being together. There's no one part that should have to convey all of its purpose. Even if you yourself are that part, you can't just put 100% of the project onto yourself. Likewise, in editing, you can't just put 100% of the focus onto one part of the video, because you need to use all of that focus to convey the whole entire meaning. Likewise, you need to use your population to plant the whole entire of the trees. You need to plant each of the trees, I mean, with your whole entire population. Much easier then. Because if you can do your bit, then everyone can.